I'd now like to call upon Neha Dhupia and Lisa Hayden to kindly come on stage to give away the next set of awards.
Shall I read it out?
Yes, please.
Okay. The winner of Gold Vivha Jewelry of the Year is Talwar Sons Anil Talwar Group.
Many congratulations, sir. If I could basically say a few words.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Soma. Thank you, Samit. I never expected this. In fact, I thought it was over. Thank you. Thank you. It's an honor. Thank you so much.
Well, congratulations. How do you feel winning an award?
You always feel good winning an award. There is no second opinion in it.
Would you like to share about your jewelry?
I think I would like to take this opportunity in thanking the Retail magazine for the awards they've come out with. I belong to a very small city. I don't belong to one of those metropolitans. But like my family's been into this for more than 200 years now. I am the 7th known generation into it. And my sons are the 8th ones now. I think with these awards, they give us that inspiration which we require to go on and on and on. And then, you know, by selecting people from all over India, at least one thing, they make sure that the recognition comes on a national level. So jewelry is made all over India, bought all over India, and I think we'll do wonders in India with this jewelry.
That's very wisely said. I truly believe it. So, whom do you like to dedicate the award to? Is there any dedications?
I would like to dedicate this award to my father. Lost him some days back. He was an inspiration behind us. And my entire staff of Talwar Sons. We worked very, very hard in the last 15, 20 years. We worked, though we had a family thing carrying on for a long time. But yes, my father was a very, very hard worker. And he put me on the right direction. And yes, now I think is the time when some recognition has started coming. And thanks again to the Retail Jeweler team for giving us an opportunity to show our jewelry and trying. This is my second consecutive award in the Vivha category. And, you know, the honor comes. I would like to share something here. I got an award last time for the best Vivha jewelry and my niece's wedding. And I had made something else for her. But she insisted that the same set she has to wear. And that was her wedding set too.
Wow, that is so sweet. Really, like I have no words. So I think there's going to be a big celebration since this is your second award.
This is my third, but my second in this category, yes.
Well, so much congratulations to you. Wish you a very good evening. Take care. Thank you.